I thought I would share with you my thrifted dining room table setup, but first I need to fix a wobbly candle. I still have a few changes I'm going to make to this, but I thought I would share the dining room table. Very small Christmas this year. I'm even going to be taking away the wreath that I made this past fall, but for now, this is what I have set up. In a moment, I will walk you through the things that I have thrifted and collected for this table setting. Some of you may remember the stockings I put together. I liked the fisherman's knit to go with my mariner theme, and I put some faux fur trim. And then I found this beautiful linen tablecloth at a thrift store. I think it was maybe, oh gosh, I want to say $5 to $20. I forget. It's in a past video. And then I have these beautiful cut crystal glasses with a little gold rim. It matches some dishes that I have. And then I found these napkin rings. I have a set of 4 that were also found at a thrift store. I have these little green votives. I've used them in past Halloween decorations, past Christmas. These were also a thrift store find. As are all 3 of the glass pieces, especially the 2 hurricanes we just purchased, and the brass Baldwin candlesticks I showed you in one of my past videos that I recently picked those up at a thrift store. And I love beeswax candles. They give off such a nice scent. One thing I cherish is that we have serving pieces here that were given to us by my mother and my mother-in-law, which means Ben and I are using pieces that we used as children, and they are exact matches. The dishes, once again, given to me. We used them at our Thanksgivings and our Christmas. So I have these plates here. And also, I used to sell Southern Living magazine products way back when. They don't do it anymore, but they were such quality pieces. And I love these serving utensils, the dish. I have quite a few pieces of theirs. I have 2 salt cellars over here that I still need to wash up. I had pepper in it. You can actually see the discoloration. I have to wash those up. I just took them out of the cabinet. Once again, I'm pointing at the stockings that I put together last year. I usually put the pheasants away after Thanksgiving, but I kept them out and I just put them here in the window. They were on the dining room table. And then moving over to the mantle, I have some cranberry glasses. I think I have 4 or 6 of these. Those were a past consignment store find that I've used at many events for both my use and for clients. Of course, the sconces here, found those at a thrift store. Their exterior, our painting of the little boy here is consignment. I mean, gosh, almost everything in here. The painting below the whale, I did get the whale made by an artisan many years ago. And then swinging over to the other side, as many of you have seen or have been introduced to our adopted ancestor, Horatio Haskell, still trying to find out who he is. I'm going to have somebody look at it also just to see if they can help us with the age. This corner piece is one of my favorite consignment finds. I still can't believe that I found it and it was waiting there at the consignment shop 6 months later after they were closed. And then the Christmas tree was given to me when my mother moved many years ago. I will be going back outside to collect more greens, but I just clipped some from outside. I have some holly here, some evergreen. I will be removing that wreath and the center candle. I'm going to put greens down the center, and my roast will probably be put on there after it's carved on a beautiful platter. I also have here on the table some beautiful crystal tumblers that I'll be using for water. These are lead-free crystal. It's an item that we used to sell in our store, and I believe they're still available. I'm going to have to check. I will be reselling items and putting items on our website store going into the new year of some of the products that I used to sell that I currently use and still love. In a moment, I'm going to show you some of the Christmas cards I received from the Christmas card exchange and piping icing on some of the cookies. But I'm going to leave you for a moment just to share with you this table. Like I said, I'm going to add to it. It's a very quiet Christmas for us this year, but still I wanted to set the table. Even if it was just for myself, I would have made a pretty setting to enjoy on Christmas Day. And regarding the Christmas card exchange, since I took this video, I have received so many more cards that I still have to hang up, and I hope to do a final showing video probably at the new year, just so that you can look for your card if you'd like to see it. But I have to say, my heart was so warm it could have melted the snow we got with the snowstorm. The personal notes, the stories, the little gifts, recipes. I want to thank those who sent these off to me so much. It really, like I said, it warmed my heart, and I felt your love. I'm even keeping all of the envelopes, and on Christmas Day I will be taking the cards down so that we can reread all of the messages. No pun intended. I thought I would quickly ice the cookies that I made. I started out trying to go neat, and then I realized that these are going to be given to my children and they're going to be just gobbled up. So then I just started really going to town, and then I decided afterwards to make every one a little different and just played with them willy-nilly because every snowflake is different. Whether you're able to spend the holiday with close family or if you're spending it alone, my thoughts are with you, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. And if I don't speak to you before the new year, also Happy New Year. But I do hope to have a video up soon after Christmas. If you haven't hit that subscribe button or given me a thumbs up, that's the best Christmas present you can give me this year. Bye now.